If you enjoy psychology, art, fantasy, philosophy, and magic, then welcome to Circle Theory, where we dive into the depths of the mind as we try to understand ourselves and the world around us. My name is Derek Landis. I did my undergraduate in psychology and philosophy with a master's in social work. I'm a writer, an academic, an artist, and a dungeon master. In this channel, we explore the secrets of the psyche. We dive into the mystical worlds of fantasy, and we explore the magic of the human condition. We're interested in what the world is, who we are, and how we create things, with a particular interest in creativity. So if you are a writer, a thinker, a human, or a creative individual, this is the place for you. Join us on our quest to expand our creativity as we create worlds, explore those of others, and try to better understand the depths of ourselves. You can follow us on Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube channel here, or check out the worlds we are crafting on Word Anvil. Either way, I hope you join us on our quest, and I look forward to seeing you as we move forward.
Just to flex on them, we ain't really got it like ya. I'm the type of motherfucker that'll check the check, do the math,